My niece is graduating from high school, so you know what that means. A road trip time. Super, super excited to see her walk across that stage, and I'm so proud of all of her accomplishments. My auntie Sean even rode up from Alabama, stopped through Nashville to scoop me up, and now we're headed to Kentucky. And yeah, Bands is in the back, per usual. Rolling with the homies.
Y'all act right on this side, goddamn. Like motherfucking kid, bitch. Damn, what is that? Oh,
Whoa, a big ass bird.
Oh, car.
Y'all know it wouldn't be right if we didn't stop at Buc-ee's. So we're stopping in to grab some snacks and fuel up for the second part of the trip. We done made it to Buc-ee's, y'all. Going in. We gonna be able to get back in? Ah, big Buc-ee's. It's raining cats and dogs outside. I can already smell the barbecue from here. Of course, I grab some of these. And another one.
Well, what else you get?
Boom, and just like that, we out of here, peeps. Just like that, we walking back in the storm, in and out. Quick Buc-ee's stop on the way to the graduation.
In 1976, founder Chip Wood had two things, a mission and a mustache. One helped him start a business, the other helped him start a family. 50 years later, Tire Discounters is still owned by Chip's family, living by the golden rule, which means the Wood family treats you like you want to be treated, like family, but without all the bickering, of course.
Damn.
Did you know that your melanin-rich skin is our armor against the sun? But even superheroes need protection. According to the Skin Cancer Foundation, even on cloudy days, up to 80% of the sun's UV rays can penetrate the clouds. With products specially curated for diverse needs like Black Girl Sun.
Prices and participation vary while supplies last. Unavailable on third-party ordering platforms. Tax extra.
Shop the Sherwin-Williams Memorial Day sale and
It's literally been raining from the time we got on the road. Like, it'll slow down, then it'll pour down. It's terrible out here. But gotta do what we gotta do. And I've already applied my toner, so now we're just about to use some moisturizer. We don't want to have dry face, do we? I'm old school when it comes to my eyebrows. I'm gonna use a toothbrush every time. Y'all finally made it in the house from the graduation. It's like a freaking monsoon out there.
When I told the little girl next to me, I said, holy crap. And I bent over like this, heavy like this, and by that time, Sherelle came.
I was coming through the crowd with the umbrella. I've been waiting to bust me a motherfucker's ass. I've been waiting. I said, oh yeah, you motherfuckers did.
And then she gonna walk with her head down like that, because she knew she gonna be
She doing like this through the crowd.
I wish I could.
Don't run now, Betty Bop. I
didn't know who that was her mama that was walking behind.
Yeah, that was her mama.
Saying that neither. I said, I'll wrap this cane around your big ass so quick.
See.
As soon as I touched back down in the city, one of my best buds called and asked me to come and hang out. So that's exactly what I did. Toasting your buns. Thank you. Oh no, you was getting ready for a fresh one. It's raining.
Oh, this a half a nickel.
We under the thing, so it don't matter.
Shoot up something. That shit's gonna come up for you. Shoot up some more. You're gonna have to go in, bro.
Look, I'm gonna set these pillows in the house though, so they don't get wet.
Scoot under here.
Is it straight and mold?
Yeah, stars and stripes right there. So I want y'all to know I really wasn't tripping.
You said you trying to
It's right there behind there, over at Cata Corner. Huh? Behind the
I
Thornton.
thought it was over by the Publix over here.
Public, girl.
Yeah, cause it's a Publix.
What eyes on an adventure?
It is too public since Smyrna.
What? Oh, not going to sleep tonight.
Oh yeah, I like my rest. Oh, have you seen them little Hennessy margarita things?
Liquor store run, holiday weekend. Y'all already know what's going down.
Bottle, cause I know we all drinking it, but
Putting it on, turning. Now that I'm finally able to relax in the comfort of my own home, I'm fixing me a good meal. I'm gonna relax, watch me a good movie later, or maybe a show, not really sure, and eat some dinner and call it a night. But I'll see y'all next week.